Maharashtra governor has written to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. That's the breaking news coming in, asking him to open religious places of worship. Says that it is ironical that on one hand the government has opened up bars and restaurants, but on the other hand god and goddesses have been condemned to stay in the lockdown. He further attacked Uddhav Thackeray and said that you've been a strong votary of Hindutva. Now you suddenly turned yourself secular. But that's the latest coming in at the moment. Sahil Joshi is joining us for the very latest. Sahil, how do you view the comments that are coming in by the Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, given the fact that the restaurants and the bars were, of course, opened up to revive the economy, given that the lockdown had so many just suffer, and to then make a comparison with God and goddesses and attacking Uddhav Thackeray government on this? How are you viewing the statement, and how is the Thackeray government responding to this statement coming in from the governor?
First of all, Chaiti, the timing of this particular letter is needs to be viewed at, because today the BJP had a demonstration at Mumbai Siddhivinayak Temple as well as Maharashtra's Shirdi Sai Baba Temple, and they were demanding that the temples and the religious places should be opened by Maharashtra government. It's been now 4 months that the Maharashtra government has started this mission Begin Again, but that religious places and temples are not yet opened. And look at the language which has been used in this particular letter sent by the governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Koshyari. The letter clearly mentions, I mean, it looks like that the letter has been sent by some opposition leader. The governor of Maharashtra has expressed his feelings in strong words. The first thing that he tells Uddhav Thackeray that you have opened the bars and restaurants, but you have kept the gods and goddesses still in the lockdown. And the second attack is a direct political attack. You have, what the governor writes to the chief minister, that you have been a strong supporter of the Hindutva. You call yourself devotee of Lord Rama, and on the other hand, what you are doing is that you are trying to project yourself as a secular leader. How come you have suddenly turned into a secular person when you have been proclaimed a supporter of the Ram Janmabhoomi movement? You have been proclaimed devotee of Lord Rama, as well as you have called yourself a Hindutva. Your father has been a Hindutva icon. You have called yourself a strong supporter of Hindutva. Then how come you have turned secular at this point of time? So this is a direct attack on the Maharashtra government and Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray himself personally. The governor has expressed his feeling in a very strongly worded letter to the Chief Minister, and the timing of the letter actually matches with the day when the BJP decided to have agitations in front of two of the biggest iconic temples in Maharashtra, the Siddhivinayak and the Sai Baba temple in Shirdi.
Oh, absolutely. So what Sahil is saying is that the timing of the letter needs to be viewed carefully as well, and that was the perspective coming in from Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi on this latest breaking news and development that is coming in from Mumbai. We're slipping into a very short commercial break, but when we return, coming up next, good news coming in for all you iPhone users. Apple is finally set to announce new iPhones.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.